You were not the shame. Not be you, you break your leg that day. Not be you not cut your finger that day. There go, see your nyash, no, see as your nyash there. You know if we wish we are married, now we dey here. And most especially if the man and the woman they be presenter. But this idiot girl, oh, now she be presenter. Every time she will carry her husband come out. Ora mu ebok, ora mu gbe, oni o wa no bia yo. Oni o mo no bia Elena. No dig who be Elena. But damn it, so make I play, make I know near theater because the girl where I see they go. I just want Mona to listen to this video. Mona, listen.
I'll do this video proof for you. All these men we will deal with for Europe for you. They don't get any help with the deal for us. Man go come for us. They go leave children. Leave everybody for us. They go discotheque and I say they don't get wife. And so we take the beer and they come. Anybody will go say make he swear for me.
That swear that I go kill you. Now the swear I want swear for you. And when people they swear for you, now go buy you. Now I go buy you. Imagine. No man. Very self-centered idiot a shower girl. You the verse. You said the reason why they carry your husband come they lay curse on the man where you born for. Because if they go discotheque and you they live video 24 hours. The man go come house, you not go get up for where you sit down put. Say you want to go give him food. Now so street for they do live video. You will go sit down for inside park. 24 hours you did for live video while Philo see you who Philo see you go away. Bobo. Watana. Oga fi pe yeme boy. Imeta o wo mana when you wa yamada wa fi pe yeme boy. Ene go ki agbelu wa won gbugwa mo wo gbe. Omo ka super wo gbe. You understand what I'm saying? 24 hours you go there for live video. Who do I as a power? If you are not your class, if you never married, if you are married to my wife, if you are my children there with me, your children when you know they take off, when they do for live video 24 hours. When you get for live video 24 hours, if you are not married, then you were married so. Our market, you go there for live video 24 hours. Uma don't worry about. Uma don't worry ze. Uma don't worry ma. Uma don't worry nya. Uma don't worry already. Uma don't worry luba. Uma don't worry guy of your vie. Ofi bokomu. Uga we live video for the bogiason. Uya dey you be bedi baka. Why you when any day? Oh wait any day. Any day, any day. Who love Yagbada? I don't know why you're going where. I will come and wear another. Who wear your tire? Who no man you go, who might you go? And that Benu Yakbanwari winner. Who wabani, wakalo. What you bear was super way. What you bear, no matter how you bear back more. Who done a babe? Where? Who was so very. So, may I finish the video? I'm still going somewhere, my people. I'm going somewhere. I'm going somewhere. Oh, what is said in the requested? Who want to tell me out of what I for? Larry, while muted one. When I went to that, the me out of we are time for you. Eh? I'm a muted boy. Can unmute, then you can introduce a boy. Unmute and introduce yourself. If not, I will drop you. I put you in the trash. Maybe again. A live video be one do agbe sese. Yeah, I tell you what you do go on. Master, hello ye. Who be this?
Good evening.
Well, good evening. What happen? What carry you come?
I don't know the time I'm picking up, but no verse.
You just sleep. Okay, go sleep again, my brother. Yeah, though. No, I no verse for you. Yes, since you don't know it, how you take crap up. Who were going on? No, we're going on. Anyway, can my brother.
Madam. But yesterday you was begging people may they not do saga now.
No, listen. I'm not going to insult you, yeah. But you don't say I be a dog woman. Yes. I want word you small. You get out take words, they give you, but not be insult. This one we did talk so, eh? That one a saga. This one not be saga. So now make me say that one wait there your house. So when more bossing and work book was in when one of them no book when who mute, or you come down, you'll fair listen to what I want to talk, because I never even start. You don't climb up. You understand? You the Yabini?
No, I'm from Maruchi.
Oh, my lovely brother. God bless you. No worry. If I don't start and you'll come up, you yeah? Don't be saga.
Okay.
Then you'll see the reason why I'm on this video, okay, my brother? God bless you, okay? God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, my brother. I'm a Nakina no sending request in the Labaka. Okay, request a request. Yeah. Met you, Wama. Met you, Wama, when I send a request. So let's play it. Continue.
You are a bad wife. Make her to Boa.
What damn
They go discotheque and I say they not get wife. And so we take the beer and they come. Anybody way go say make he swear for me, say you are a bad wife. Make her to Boa. Because I did be everything for his body. I'm trying to give myself happiness. Now maybe self-love. I am on a survivor mode.
Self-love will not get love.
Man, go try me the add the joy your sorrow. You go tell ma. I feel tell you now what happen in the afternoon. Ma go want say make you the beer all the rubbish way that they do you for his body. You go shed tears, man go tell you make you shut up while they cry. That kind of safety way Osula Piki do. Osula they call this guy Jackie.
Jackie Sula talk boy.
They complain for his side say I know they okay. I want to go hospital. Your husband force us.
Mona, listen carefully. If you want, you can share the video. Mona will share.
They try to do us.
But power time. Me I cannot drop in
my friends, my loved ones. Man, I hold this guy where I do so. When I feel they look and say get 5 face, but very evil man.
Okay.
Evil. People where they day back in family, all of them, the supporters say he too fine, say a fine boy. But the boy not get sense.
Okay.
He not get sense as myself.
Una dey listen. Self-love, self-mugu. Now the only presenter, the only married woman where he marry evil. The only married woman where he marry mugu. The same mugu. Imagine. You they come and they advise people. Now you they tell people now say the husband when you marry you for house, say na evil and a mugu. Imagine. So wait till you want proof to the world out there. You want proof to the world, say you are not responsible, that you are an idiot. Imagine man where you born for 4 children, I'll be 5 children. Now you they call evil for public. You say it's an evil. You say head not correct. Who done or you say about dead? Who doing? Who did you? Who were feet on? So make I play the second video, then I'll tell now why on this live video. Then I'll start to analyze the reason why I open the live video. Mona listen to the second one.
I am a survivor. My God is so good. My God is so wonderful. It's so funny, it's so far, but now.
Mona listen.
Where God come make me.
Please power tap. Listen.
I am married to a bully gas. Why they talk this thing? Because of what happened for inside palace. I suffer. Now know the bully when my husband they give me inside house because of that video where I do concerning about wife not doing well. Everything where I talk for that video was truth and nothing but the truth. But my husband joined the outsiders to be bullying me inside his house.
If for join us by you, you are not your bad. That's what you are.
This man that I'm married to.
You are not your bad.
You man know your Jesse.
Iman be her husband name. He say Iman her husband. They bully her for inside house because of the video where she do. Mona listen to the video finish, then I go start to the analyze. Asha was say na good him do for man. Say him marry her. You know even happy. You know what's past easy. You will still they do a shower even after you don't boy your 3rd picking. Bueno, you big me a listen. Yeah, next one. This one, this better when you get so. Not be only your peckles they go cut. They go cut your head, joiner. When me who your mommy who. Ah, bossy bekebe gugwe. Sisu webe guagwe you do me. Ugu asu ugu.
Wait, because my body too tight. Me have your man.
Body too tight.
You might be on the glass. You might be on the
body when you don't take one shower too tight.
You might be on the you might be on the walk by big gun way or more than a big banner. If you're way. O salon pas S life in it. You have your money, be my banner. Who want the backside as no police?
S life, that is. What did she mean by S life? He said God don't look at S life. Take give her good and healthy children. What did she mean by that one? By that S life? That is say God don't look at shower what should I like baby. You know, Easy is the president of all the Ashawo. So Easy name na like baby. So from today, anybody where the Ashawo, where still they do Ashawo till they where the Ashawo, their name, that new name na like baby. You understand? So she said God don't look at past life, take give her children. Even as like baby as she was, where she still be so like baby, as she like baby. When you see an Ashawo, when you want to talk to Easy, don't call her Easy Ashawo, call her Easy like baby. Like baby means oh miliki. Igbe agiadogogo. Ashi like baby. So let's go.
You just see. Osalopwa. All can judge him. All can judge him. Abi. Hey, bully. You can't run anywhere. All can wait. Hey, the bully. Even if the bastard has it. I can never join outside to be my husband. I work. No matter what my husband will do. If outside has the crush on the corner, I go carry on. I go carry on hide them. My husband will guide me. If outside has the crush me, they go. Did you know that my husband was telling me that the insult where happiness give me? He said I deserve it.
Exactly.
100%.
Yes.
They swear they give me. Say on the insult, he said I deserve it. He said because my mouth not good say I'm the enemy of the palace.
Of course.
The enemy of the Edo. Why they talk at the enemy of the Edo? Because of the video where they do concerning.
So I will play and finish later. Make I start from here. You that brother will come up yesterday. Me, I use pidgin English more. You know, say I too like my Edo language. So make I your fall now. Some of you now not be saying I force. Nobody can force me now. I speak for my platform because I love my language. I'm so proud of my language because my language sweet past English, pidgin English, whatever. Sweet past any other language for this life. But because I pity some of you now way no 2 years, but I go still now just small pidgin English I want to put. Now I speak for my platform. You understand? Okay, now let's go there. For you that bros, and for all of you now wait there, yeah, we don't understand. When I see that video where I said play just now, she say her husband now evil. When her husband they do it for inside house. So for this video, she constantly talk and say her husband they bully her. When I know the reason why her husband they bully her, who knows? Okay, make I explain that to now. When I see this evil girl where they here, this like bad boy where they here. The time where Albert come out, Albert in our when he come out, start to they talk as he want to take part, they want to bury him. This woman supported her. This woman was trained and useless mouth to our children and to our generation. Do you understand what I'm saying? Anything concerning our great heaven palace, that's our heaven, who they those. We don't get another heaven, where would they go? Now that palace may be our heaven and earth. Anytime where anybody take talk nonsense against our great heaven palace, this woman will just carry that person. He will support her. So now that one they cause quarrel for she and her husband. Because you know last time I did a video, everybody they do video with they insult the husband. I never knew the husband. Now read a man say he really gets sense. I don't know, say the man they read the thought on for inside and say this woman down, this girl, this like baby. Say na bad head. What did they cause the bully? The husband warned her. Tell her, say anything. I not say me you not do your blogging. I'm an Edo man. A bona fide Edo son. Edo man. Remove your mouth from the palace. Anything will concern palace. Remove your mouth. And the reason why the husband started to call her Ogyoba, now based on the way it takes support Albert and the videos where she do, they support Albert. The way she dey. Who be this one? May I first see her first. Hello? Hello? Mommy, Nenemi. I bet I feel calm down, beg. Thank you. You understand? The way when she takes support Albert Ogyoba and the way she take the support anything where you're concerned palace. If anything just make me, she see her for social media, she will come out and she'll come to talk negative about, as in, you see that our palace. Any Edo man, a bona fide Edo man or a bona fide Edo woman, Edo sons and daughters worldwide. You see that our palace. You see our God. Wait there for inside that palace. We know they use them for. We can buy you for it. That's one thing people should know. This woman will come out, and as she the support about, she was also throwing words. Again, that's one arrow. She was throwing words indirectly because she talks too much. She's a fool. She started saying nonsense while supporting Albert. She never came out one day to tell Albert. Everybody see the video where Albert they do. The direct insult where Albert they give his generation and his children. Ukinebo and Onwe and the new baby where is newborn. Everybody see him say, as Albert they throw direct insult. This woman not do video, this girl not do video one day may tell Albert, say Albert, no, I don't support you on this. You can support Albert for the political side. But instead, this woman will do a video where they tell Albert, say, Albert, take your mouth, your dirty and cursed mouth away from our great palace. She go come out, support Albert, begin to lay curse on her children. This useless girl. She go even come do video, come tell us, say, she said so many things. All of una for this social media, una they see this girl video. And that was the reason the husband started having issue with her. Inside. You understand? Indoors. She started having problems in her home, in her marriage. Because the nika away marriage in Igba. Last, you go be the worst single mother for this whole planet. You go be the most useless single mother for this whole planet. Awa, marriage, yeah. So now that one, the husband, they tell him, say, come, my wife, remove your mouth from the palace. You are a blogger, and I accepted it. I allowed it. It's not a problem. Brag about who be this one? Oh, Minister of Truth, my brother. Good evening. Please mute. Oh, good evening, my baba. Now we'll go beauty, baba. More mute first. Don't worry, I come, my brother. You understand? Now there, the husband come and say, you be blogger. I'm a loving and caring husband. So long, you not get though say you be like back there, but you don't get a private porn site. No problem. If you talk to you, come on, tell if you the craze, if you're one bishwe, if you're one bra, if you're one boy, face your presenters. The day when any presenter don't talk to you, do if na marital issues or marital topic now you want to go into or whatever, pick one. But you see this palace, remove your mouth from palace because the man are really a dumb man. Stay away from palace issue because the husband see I'm saying the way they always talk, the way any of your bag will come out, this girl will back them up. Una see what you call her, enemy update, Google update. Oni, oye jumbo sazen no war. Oni that be like doba we, egbo wo, ewe, ami ekwo egba wa na egbo we. Do we go meta we get ticket we get ticket we la plane we abi do. No we aga me na egbo we. This idiot carry him for back, he supported him. Abba do. As Abba do rich. Even the non-adults were against Abbott for the nonsense, for the nuisance he was constituting to our great land, to our great palace. Everybody saw it. Everybody were angry. People were know what it culture mean. They were all angry, but with Abbott, they were all angry with him. Everybody, even some of the Igbos, some of the Yoruba, everybody came out for Abbott to tell him, Abbott, this place where they go, so stop it. It's not fair. You can do your politics, whatever, saga, but remove the great palace out of it. Abbott even went to the extent of even, in fact, laying curse on his own children. I know what I use on me. Why in the air? This woman supported Abbott. When she go do video, when she go do video, she go to support Abbott, and she go to throw words to her useless children. Now that one, that caused problem between she and her husband. Now that one, I caused katakata for a useless marriage will not work again. Titi lie. Who will not buy marriage in me? Oh, Biania, you sick boy. Every day, every year, and you cannot let them with the year. Hunda, or Gina Geneto. You understand? Now be the wala. When make her do that first video, where I play just now, when she come to us, say she buy, made they hold her husband responsible. Say her husband a bully. Her husband is never a bully. The only thing her husband they tell him is nothing but the truth. Say remove your mouth from the palace, and we go back make her. Hey, you jare no be a shawo. Hey, you jare ga your worry me. Your worry me. La go. Who eti a blog another blogging. Who eti a born on a keka. La go. You buy your worry. Anything. Wait to me one ask when I do people. Wait there for social media and why so soon who want if you get well. Now everything of palace will come out. I worry I got to tajia. Come a soup so te who want me? I mean, who done on your one? I don't like back better. Need you bame beze la webo. Do I webone? Yeah, one of the what to ta. Here what we like that bit. Here what can who will me and ya. We are cackle who we are. How about here analyze it? Hey, Maka Kene. I never is a wanna. Oh, Maka Kena. I'll wear. Do what he like webo. Son, or Maka no baula. Oh, what kind of super webe? I will barrel. Everywhere set it to tell you over. I don't tell Amoba. That you not feel beg Yamoba. I'm a mama. Ebony, you know where I'm where you talk. Here I'm you. And no damn seven. If you dress on the social media, ni we are here here no way. If we are here, but EBS broadcasters. They make boy. The TikTok, you can be Facebook, the social media, YouTube, even enemy. Every packet was soon. Here is a 1 year near. Yes, one. Yes, one. Who I boy like me and then a big big. Here they went away. If you talk to you, buy. You know, not truth I they talk. As I they talk now, some people they call me Ogyoba. Like seriously, you are not Ogyoba. You are not Ogyoba. There's no two ways about it. And you me don't want Tabu egwa. It just be like picking. You say you want to go interfere for your papa and your wife's issue. But if you just on the social media, they will just come out. Here waiting I do be advice in Ami Mama. Don't no be one actual amogun. What can you buy? Wamu that you're not going to do Why ye bedu wamana go no run wana gi gwidi. Eni yabopa oboka you beka. Oh hey ya oh e bobia. Ukpa ya e bobia. Oga bi all zija talk to pamu. So after she don't do all this one, now this one they cause quarrel between she and her husband. All this why? They are reporting the video, but it's not the problem. Please let me power tap. When you are power tapping, the report will still come down. I don't really care, but I'm just here to say the way it is. If you do the rest of social media, why you know you make what? Oh, when you have news you, a newsy, EBS or game well. When no yet do, Udo ya gato to do atale, tata to do atale, no magba. Udo mune go migo. If bonama boy, ni adole ani do amo gbe monu biele. Ona magba. Ona kin wife so do. But my fi say, na social media. Anybody fit talk. Some go say, if to say they don't want me anybody talk with. But say the boy social media na mo ye he. Amwe ye he. I want to to tan we do you no we do hoya. No we do you no we fi wo. Ugu here. Now this one be the problem. When make her do that video. And mind you, not be today start. Not be that first video where I play just not be for start. Last year, the same issue they grant. So she and her husband, government separate them. Before the constitution, she go beg the man, hey, I beg go. I know see person will carry me like this, oh, you too fair with my husband, oh, I don't want to lose you. Now so you take go beg that one. That one constitution, okay. Make sure say you change. Most especially, anything we concern palace. You know, when me they grow up, they come in one day. I will go. I go. Uwe chief. Uwe kame. If you kame, any audacity, any daka, no ya go no can't beg way. Ndo wala we bo den wasun wagbon. Wa we bo. We bo here. Ogi evu na eti. Iwu wala we bo ne we. Agiten wa gikin. Ige no magu wa we nenemi hu wanya no. No magu wa va tu wanya no. Ewu wa ya gba no mo no wa bi wanya agba me. Wanya yidi. Wanya ne bu agba me yidi. O pa ya o ebo bi. O ga bi o si ya. O to ba mo e o. Now this one they cause for. She came out last year. This thing don't happen for their family, for inside their house there. She came out last year. She said, the thing be say, her husband, she can't beat her husband, brothers, her husband, mama, and everybody. She can't beat them. And now this thing they go on for inside her. The advice when the husband, I beg my brother mute first, you hear? I beg, one mute, not anymore. I beg, you hear? Thank you. Sati, please. You understand? Now the advice when the brother, when the husband, they give her for inside house, say remove mat. So the way she take do, the time we have bath, they carry her children, that they carry her children and her own children, they put for inside grave. If you the way she come they do, hey, you we're not yet though. Where's the thing you of your who to us a four, who we bog yowa. Now that one can provoke the husband. So take the husband come after you don't talk. Anytime when the husband talk, he goes saying he carry husband's generation come out to come saga the for social media. Now that one can't make your husband. That one we can't do during our bad time. Now that one can't make her husband call him Oyoba. She talk one thing for this video. I go still play the video again. This video just now why they play. They never play finish. She say so tell her husband say. He not even supposed may they for the same house with her or may they eat with her. No, and mind you, not because of that video where do to happiness or not because of the video where happiness do to her or where she do where make happiness come reply her. Not because of that one her husband call her Mogyoba. Now because of the things where she don't they do they come. She don't start this thing for a very long time, my people. She don't start this thing for a very long time. Then her husband tried to remove hand and his leg. And that was the reason When they separate, before he can still go beg her. The same thing she still do. When the happiness talk, happiness tell her say, you want to do your video. But when you can't work, I mean, Baba. Walk your door of Vesamo Baba. I when it Bonamaru. When no ye keep to be the ma dera do ma big way. Walk your door ya put the okay Baba. And mind you, a video you know who the way she do where you do your son. Ne happiness not to reply. Why me meow? Off you be on a few be gige ige ame o salobo ame ni yayo. Amo salobo ame ni biak modoga. On a few be or what vasabi yin or walk yak bijin. Or what vasabi yin ye ne self muguna ye ne le begbe. Or vasabi yin or yak bele moni e bien yao. Only a boy yet to know some. If any happiness in our boy, we are. And I be dead, ill saloboa. And I went and go fool me. No, so I come up with your more. Oh, what idea? And then we turn away, what we bet them, or yet don't work with him. Happiness, yet a man will allow West when near your Vienna. You know, I'm not big one. You went that's when near your Vienna. Oh, yet do not get over yet do. No, damn every journey. No, who done a shower, but shower in now. Why, where again now he's a rule. No carol ye ban. No carol a year ban. I want to wait here and fancy. Have you taffy here, here, bishing? A taffy here, belly money, a begging out. Then the husband, that thing, triggered her husband again. Say, I don't tell you. Do your blogging. You pay your worry. Oh, when we were better or Sava, Facebook anywhere. I want me not kind well at them. I will video on my car or walk super when who bow. Me ask you, why any? No soon, why any no mamma? You understand what I'm saying? My brother, you will come up. I hope you are still listening. So me, I just put round up. You understand what I'm saying? This evil woman, because the fake rumor where they spread since. Where we are pushing our what? I pushing our water. Niba buana la wagbe. Then no wa wa ye and do and gwa no do. And no ki kagwa wa ye you no wa social media. Wa gwa no do wa kendo ya gwa le consive TikTok wa kendo ya gwa li go be Facebook wa kendo ya gwa li go be TikTok be social media. Ogun agbo mo. Oh, go on. No, I'm married there. Who that? Who do what? Yeah, while I just want oh, Salo boy, we na who any. And then we la white bear. And to us, so much to look about la. I never bother see him in your head bear. Oh, when I hear can I get there? Do what so I will buy you go one and let back by easy like back. Or you go here, I'm more than a webo. Or you go where you're there. Yavigo Gijan Jayan here. Eh. Honey, your man will walk down Gina Vienna will walk away. No tradition will walk. There, yeah. No, what a song. Why, Latia? I want to analyze what can work and everyone analyze it. Why, one would have it. If one of my amigo. Here do I feel back bed Jerry what you want. Here do I bend the bonjour. No, go on, but the bonjour. Oh, back it up, a TikTok in social media now. I want to go away again, you know it. Oh, go on, can do worry. He go away, rocking about where we're about Sana. Then the time you're yakwa, walk away with your head. Enough is enough. A topic in Obumerani. You can talk to the president. You must not insult him. You can be a politician. You can be an advisor to single mothers. You can be an advisor to married women as a married woman. You can be an advisor to single guests. You can be an advisor to children. You can be donating. No get well. Anybody way no gwale jobo. No bama so I be boy. Ni ebe fa so gen ya be jobo net won ebe no be say. Kere on masse yo. Tune fiokolo on masse yo. Ijo boy ni yahu. Wa mami oni. Wa mi observe wa mo in over the Great Benin Palace, the council, the traditional council of Benin Enemy Palace, Edo Enemy. Wa here wa pe ni. Ugu me mi ame wa dagbe. Wa la social media. Why do you have a consi? Why take power tapi? Give me consi. Hey, give me. Uwa kia sungu. Oh, piagino. Oh, we are dono. Come here, do. Una wenu ladia. Oh, we are dono. We are going. So, when you do me a car festival. If you're going to when you hear sungu, if you back at what? Why need you do? You know, una woman topic of you. And then go no do. Oh, the total social media do after the day. Oh, go agbo. Oh, to the dog boy. Oh, to the dog agbo. What to me? Ya sungu. Odobo. Even you. What? Odobo. Oh, what to me? Oh, my super. What you do? You query. Benin Traditional Council, when you see la dia, Ozava, Ubeso, NTA, Regani, EBS, ETA. Ne, Ame, oh, why I pull by Sola Webo, why one year. Why, I bet social media, you know, I don't analyze when one like that's even you want. For you can work on it, why? You know who are, where analyzing you for them, analyze it. Every year, Baladiana, one of my men, what I might see, and I said, why did I? Why you again was soon Wagman? He not Wagman, Wagman. Why you again, one might see, and I say, why one mere bossy caca from the traditional council? Why I want to ta? Why go to Wado soon? Why do I analyze one would you want? And go out social media. And no, although half you, Baji, ya said, Behamoba. No, why would I go any? No, but more carena. No, but more dinner. Any right, no, ya tell them what. Any right. Honey, one lad, honey, Baba, on social media. Go go social media. What then? Do start coming up one. Oh, we're here to Bosalo, boy, no here, Yagno, no here, Jomaya, no here, that mama, we're here to Mosalo, boy. Oh, we're here to Mosalo, no here, when here, the dark bed out of here. What is all this? So, my people, now this one cost katakata for this girl house. It never even reached that. Just because of the fake, you can see all this one like this. Now, fake rumor. There's nothing like, there's nothing like that, my people. Una when they talk, hey, Kata, if you were a match, he did there. He did there, or my common move web boy. He did there, every web boy, and I just said, boy. Who do you know, he did there here, or see it? Now, Madame, you know, I'm he did there. If you were a if you no, if you Egora Moisa. If you no Maragbon. If you more, you go up on a Lamogun. Ijara, why you Yara work with Yara with you. If you are going to work when you American, it didn't Maria Berry didn't. You take indeed it didn't. Well, what can get in a web what Berry did? Or can I why you fancy your well it didn't? The only news will come out for them be say, Pella, the Ekane, where he allow, where he invite, or where he grant Pella, if you have a thousand on here, they did not do it formally. Because how can you invite somebody to the palace? Umata menonyawa, umata miramoisa. Oh God on earth. That was the reason. Oh, then why so you don't talk with yourself? He did it, or see, he did it. Everywhere, he did it. Or my common baby on in me. Everywhere, he didn't lay. Why so ma kwe de keni diden ye? Why so ma kwe? Why so wa believe you we go ani diden ye? Me me il va bon no fier kun le why so da. He was supposed to write a letter. And that kind of no be here. He take suppose. Ni agyo dem we get na lie mo. Get na lie even with the donor. Wado itwe. O salobo do ya no giver. O salobo yoba. O salobo maya. O salobo ani maya ga otak bona ya ri opojo. Ami oba no ye ba do. Awawa. Era gbo ke mi de. When they now to the console. Give away. They could not correct him. They could not put him through. And normally, they were supposed to go and report to our God on earth. Our great second God. Akayata mane. Ebaba talk be. Baba de baba. O salobo do ya nikbo giver. Wato. Ugbege oba ilobo we baba. Owo kapa. Owe me do je yin. Yen die do. Yen oni ere jogwe. Ke. E kegwe. Baba gebe no je ana wena ka do tama wene ogoma wa biye oba debi ono o ze ka lejo we e ka me na o ga iseba wa biye la wa de wa ke ma yeso o me ke ngba me ma ibo wa ke ma yeso wa ka gbu ide agun pra be na me ya la manu ugwa na azo gwe bi otoji azo tori ogwe yi ba la gwa nda gwa is heaven on earth. Aso Tommy Ogweyi. That was the thing also. If you are going to social media, you will fear baby. Who don't get self mugu? Ona la do agboro e. Don't know do she called the rap pada. Say because they say they want drive her mama. Enter grave. They want drag her children enter grave. Una know what I mean. Why me here? Hey. Una see the video where I do, they say I'm not doing well. It's not even about that video. When make the reasonable Edo people come out for this idiot. Or when make happiness come out for her. She don't they do. She don't they back out the Ogyoba. She don't they throw words for a long time. And that one caused the quarrel. Where they are home. Where don't scatter at home today. Because the man is responsible. The man a real Edo man will get sense. She don't come out now. Now when I did work since in the morning, now I see the video. She don't come out on the rapper that say, hey, she the video what she do now. See I say the truth now. What about that matter now? If you are where is here? You can't wait. Oh, go here, be joy. Na go here, like you be. Say mugu. No cool well at. No cool well at. Okay, ya say me ya no cool. No la dia. When you ya feel, when you ya road that boy. Why ya tawa you no be ta. Akparo wo ekodo wo ya ta du gele ama o mo ni okin ale sagere o pe ri no ko ri no gwa wa bi yin no social media ene gwa ga gbo wa hu ibu wi ya do ya fe ni wo gwa kere ni mi sike ni ba gbo ke ni be ni okin ato gbwa okin ati gwa e ba ke mi to no gboka o kero gbogodo ba wa le ni bi na we boy gbe ba ya ku wa o social media o. Hey, salobo any ka wagari o. Any ka wagari wa tie ya mu. Obara me no se no roki. Olokun. Opanja iga. Ogunye. Isago de bowe. Omi la ni pe tu ojo. Asi no gyobo. Wagari e. O tornado ya bokpanye ya fe na gare do wagari e. Wati bia kana wati yana mu okbiari no okori no we yen be gba yinu yen me gba yen do ya we content in social media e gege o ya fi wa yo yi wa gbin am o ligi ologo no lie e self mugu no lie jo wa na wa ge fo wo ligi na wa ge avie wa ge de eri no bad gbe fo that bon o baba mi usana Eve voki ami gyo wa e. Eve voki aro egbe. Oh, is a voki aladin. Unless you know your leg worry. Who have not time why? What the baby will live video yo. What am you in a penny egbe? Ya pretty picture well at you. Any way. So before my brother, you all were sat. Sati, la go my brother. La go baba, you all go me. La why tea I don't know what to go. I don't know a bolo for. In your many answer getter. Or that fair, or your banner, or that fair self mugu. Ikaro viewe. Mega ogu sweet beer. Neseti go hogwa. Okono you wagwa. Igo uki. Image. You are a victim of circumstances. Imagine where you are a victim of an evil wife. Oh, who know you about who know who are. Now go Jimmy. Why when it's several? Boy, why you must say, ye yogi. Oh, what damn you no more than beer. Oh, no. When I was on air, this walk away. Nay, ya, where ya, and you know my home where. Osalobwa, uwa. Na ya gewe imi obaba emi no makon we. E genia. Wa we ni several. Wa lo ko be bi e ku. Ikwo mo kan ya fun e. Ikwo mo kan ya fun e. We bo na wa ye na. Ve spray ba ni ngo wa ye ni. Ikwo mo kan fun ba. Yo pa ni sogosogo no ye la pa no so abi enu. Ono na. Wa wi obobo. Wa wi obobo. Nda ona. Oh, yokere. Ana o di no meria. Oh, yokere. Ana o di no meria. Ma be o di na. Ona meri, ona. Meri agno. Eria kakere bo. Omulawa. Ona ema. Abi obo bi yebe. My brother, ya bi okwo be. Bi okwo bo kan. Ere mo sigo mo da bo dede. You woman, I'm 22 years, 25 years. Oh, yes, so boy, you better than ever. And when ya, oh, yeah, boy, you salo boy, you can't. Hey, yeah, Breza. Oh, you want you who when we walk again, no solar, dear, who were one of your, oh, yeah, can't be who were. When where can be my brother on your master, my ben will move you one of your fear, no? Agale no beno woman. Oh, that face self mugu. He wanna you come. Oh, that face self mugu. No one ego. Oh, what me back we banner. Okay, ma. Ota. Yeah, hello. Oh, Tagenia. Hello. Oh, Tagenia. Hello. And you're that forever while we beg my young. While I will wait me, I'll be in your that for any one. What's your that forever? You're that for any one. I was in one down. Mete where oh be an able book him. I will be an oil book who will now will be in a battle cover you will let. Tabo lamu, my brother. Me at your body. Now the phone do what Benny Yamana. Or take tab on a video name, Marie Jereteme. What go you wanna me while I will go? What your power tapping there to drop him, man. You are going to call it. You can't drop him in Munefa. What's up? And you ever was it in by any other phone. Now go, Papa. Now go, my brother. Agree. He take up your neighbor book in a city go when we are, when over your daughter. Over whom we were over this one, who might take work one, who might take Calubia, marry you are. No time I went yet there. I said to you, what you want. I said to book what you want. Me, who might be. So, here, he was your woodsy or your bar, here, Saloba, or an old your bar, or your bar. Or no women, and you know, your bar, or your batty. Or no support of your bar, no support of an hero on of you, but get what. But your money, or your banner. Or by breaking your doors. Or by breaking. But see it in me. Whoever been where you carry out the reason. They give me. Whoever been where you carry. Baba Sati, la go around and never I want it where one would be out. 3 minutes in my car. I have a man said to me 3 minutes. Give me this one under. Or see near bank. My husband like me. He's measuring me. Did you know that my husband was telling me that the insult where happiness give me? He said I deserve 100%. He said that they swear they give me.
See all the insults say I deserve. He said because my mouth not good say I the enemy of the palace. He said I the enemy of the
course.
Why they talk say I the enemy of the
What more down on that for it? What more down
You see what it is when they do? Because of the video where they do confining a dumb man. See what they do women for this Europe now.
No, he made sure he named just now.
Okay.
Now that he name I want here the man name. No we can't be na no who can't be na. He and then no we. E marriage na set it bo. Wa gbe. Ima. Na me ame. Awa na tame mano mami agana bia bukwo. Ima na bia diaso. Igwenu tame ame. Ima no bia diase. Iwaga le nu gbe no ga bo. Ima no bia diase. Anagi u kome. Ima no bia diase. Igwenu wa anegbe o wagbe ba ku imana bi o keke ma ota iye ale o iwo ta geri ale ota eni ale yo salo boane rame iyere niye otaye kole imanu yo diase egege gbatata wo yule ara le lugbe no wo wa e u kome o kwa gbebaku o wele gbegbe e mana re yo wa o ko no to si wo gbe ladia ai tebe sonia wa wa ladia o ye mi ti ra ugwa wo se wero be spe ba ni iya gba kan odo agi iye dorogele enegbe ye dorogele enegbe ani no kan agu we we ni wo agba kan na no bi ogun ba yo wa obo kun gbe dede gbo wa yaro o wa pa wa wo kan gbo bi o kan yo wa ba yin oye we yo wa ama go bi e te gwa la go my brother wa le won e do le gbe oku no mama oku na no si gadabo oku agbeba ku na re asawa gba sawa emi ge le gbegbe no yu e gba sawo be we boya fefefe the whole of Europe I make no ma mu eyo e do ru da e kin ogun oba ma bere gbe we ni kude no win abu we na nice one my brother Sati la wo baba what so if you want climb una fit climb go baba we never move in one go na baba
you talk more here. I greet the house. I greet everybody. While here, I don't have any right in Yaguakan or Wanokwa. Emani me Guakama Brayman if you knew what on it. You only get that. Imani there because you got home Paga Tave there wait anything no matter in a gear. You only made to have me and will be me. Me mamu, Ihamu Diana cannot give me. Ikina miomano we minike we miao. This is my message to all of them. I don't need to wait. Maybe Big House send me message before I will take action. If I see any of them face to face, I just want to let them know all these things. Imano where I can do team and a phone. You can take action. No, I don't do that. I mean, while we na. Imesoro swim man no where my hamudia. Na gyuhure ne where I can take action and take.
Epa, ebio. Omo no do ba gbera bi je. No ka mu dia ne be kata ma we fi o ma ni emi. Omo ni o wo le ni wa. Omo ni ma elegbe.
Exactly, that is the message. So, I don't want to start debating any no kind of one. I don't have the right. I've always said a platform is only you do derivate time. Once you people should leave this matter. Why are going concerning anything or why women no if you know what dog one? Why are judge him no sunwani? The money revani they are well capable to handle this. This place has been there since thousands of years. So even if you know get my idea, I make Google, I me right here of here, I me right here. No, you don't do that. So, swim and no boy vibe, then no boy Pedro de Sona do Aladian where one of our gear. I've been always be saying this. He hate him Mudianaka Gimene. Anytime you have many of them, one-on-one. Any may I that is just my message. Listen.
Damosa, usalo boa ni ka no to dedo no fi agbere no ma wa ato. Osega do do simi, osega do igbo erigbima no je do ya bi ne do wa ma baba u marite. I've been on this social media for so many years. You read social media for years. When you were saga say, you were saga, but you were saga near. You were saga again. If you live your papa, you were general color qua. Ya been of your koya, been of Kekode. So, he may not see a dead way, and then we can't analyze. When I come out, me not the tenegua, you know, one of the Eguabunume, Rara Moisa. You don't worry. And one anything. Oh, tornado, Guanodo, Imwe, Bogyoba, no, yeah. Few back no hero. Topa no bien natural labogu. Ira mama, ira mata mama wa lu meta yakwe. Arime. Emi nera no biera ma seti wu. Igba nadia. Igba budai mi wan you see the social media. No ke traditional council ore dore. Igba ti ado to te igba wu kun ore ku. Igba ehin ado analyze. Inene a. Yi Ogia me fu ara tizebe. Osabu agube zebe osabu agube fu abuda ihe omoni kin. Ihe kenikere. Imebi akun do gobedo. Osanu pogeva. Osanu boa no does it no yoto no yukun no yagwe manedo. Obama. I'm bane. Osanu geva no. Obano pobunu ne poba o. Owaga look baba gbera. Adera ma kolebe. Adema ma bi mi ba o. Eyi o ma yo maru. Agati akawote. Awe no fie ko ga ba we o. Ebi o yanje. Nda we. Iye ti wa saga ma. Igbado ladi igbado mo ebe ladi. Ageri ni agba ladi abegba o. Igwe ti aya we de no hin. Follow for follow. Right, tap it for me, make I tap it for you. Ogun o salobo se asu won. O se asegile o wi won re. Iyo mo no ma enegbe. O ye do ye se hin. O wi do ro pe o wi e kovia. O ye do. O wi omo ebugbe do yo fi gbori nya. Na mi o ri o ba re gbe ma wa. I can play video, audio. Never make play game ni vie. On a play gume. O wo mi me. La wo go mi o pa ni ayin ya we. Gbe mu e. O ga gbe ni amu egbe. Wa mi kun. Nu ba se gbele. Gbe mu we. Egwa no edo. Ina twas we forever na we ni twas ni for. Boy, ina bi like wa ina kwe bi ba ina bi e fo. Abe mo ni ma enegbe. Yeah, one lad, we na me the talk on masibi. Watana, we ma, iyo saloboa. Wage no togoma, wage no hiari bude. No me bude nebe. Una go saloboa no juwe. No yoto no yukun. Ewe hiri bude na. Iba bofie kunle luwa. We na we bo mebe. Umama oya mebe. Umama oya na goya ma oya webo. O what to adwari bude. What if we bude ve? What if we bude de manu abi bude na? E mo ame nu gbeje mo na e mo kekan le nu gbeje. E wari epa. Why here you are telling the wakati bona power ta for me. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Bona power ta for me. Make una power ta for me. Even one am here do no more we go to here ya comment here where God go press ne God the ana su wa hu okuta. How God the also no man okuta we wa bege go maru. Lare no nya pa ti pa so me. No man ya eto ya we ko bukwa. If here do no so. Wagi anwa negbe. Wagi mazo de bade. Na ya gwalo de. Hunda ekinu wadona. Eso igwala je bika e. No be na mare de o. Ona igwala je wa fipe. Ona la je wa sipe. Wa go me mi no sie. Oge no. Emi o me sie. We no ye do. No ma enegbe. We no ye kito bide. No ma egbe no kere. No do analyze enegwe. The social media. Warrior audacity na warrior dakani ni adoya ke ni adoya roge kon ra ye worry. Ebe opa sunu. E ba ke mi to ni boka. Okero ugbodo ro. Owo wa gi akoko do le mo yi. E kina dese eje. Teleke don. Aro obedo, tago obedo. Awe Toba no bi onu na tu la mogun. Bi babo no bi fi ekun le lu wo awala je we. Wo ado eso awala jo we ti ado bi bude negwe. Eso awala jo we ti ado bi bude ne kare. Hi o salobwa. Bo era mo isa no ji vie no kare ni. No na do bi bude no kare ba. O, wo wa mi na yi. Degbe no mo wa eso na ngwa na kara giti na yi. Wo wa ya bi din. Wa ni do ekidama. Who were here? Who were your ability? Alweno mo ari ewo megbene. Alweno mo ari ewo megbene. Wagi fi oboro. Wagi ki oboro me megwa wado ya we content. Wagi ki oboro wa fi pe yen megwa re. Elegwa eni bi ekata ama bi osere yo ni we wo hia do gun ami no kan gwa o ga be ga gbe ni si la dia traditional council ogegwa ogedo tie be baba tie du gbera enu ado bi we la video yi e so tale tata toto si dana no hu ana ge le gbagbera olaji ado agbe pada we a ku yin re gwa. Can you imagine the nonsense? When I ya win as a pay. It's why while I don't wear the drama, and you're not telling it. Yeah, getting a roll. Or when I get on. Or when the drama is the drama is not telling me. Or another like with fake rumor and fake news, don't know what like where we get a boy. Or like that, what time I need to do. On a one normal diet. Even okay, no man, who that way or what I could hear and what I was. One power time. There ain't no time. I give you people who are master teaching while I feel the year. Who that one when you that's right. In normal, and you know, or what? But I who put on your weapon. Everybody well, but we. My baby, a penny, I never will not him. Who put my dear weapon? I don't know. Oh my way,
you know, on Saturday said something. And what you see, you give me.
Oh, who's that kind of carry? If you're calling what? I'm not calling no matter. Why, what? If you do not, well, you do not be a big, and not be a don't know what you are good. I was it. You are what you
we don't tame Ija. On we matter with true to God. On I have a true to God, now with true to God. On our true to God. Do you sure you tell you now we know? You matter. Also, the enemy true to God. We was sent. So let's go again.
Our I'm a mere do what? I'm so dead. I'm a fiana. And I why tell the Wagi any cow who do a car in the car any car not
recording me. Oh, so do big even of you can I know. You are recording my voice in my
she said I was using it to play like I was watching films. That's why she carried it out.
Any yamata, if not kind of way. What we do, there are a lot of contents out there. We fear that there. If you I'll take off. He's doing well. Look, he's doing well. I'm on 22 years ago when me, I'm on the Muki. No, why? No, what the apartment can't keep the friend of everyone. Everyone when you don't get there, I look for give another no invest. No, what?
Trust me. Simple work pajama shampoo. Everybody has done that. You got coffee from where?
Are you ready?
Yes. Ready for what? Check it. If mommy is at home or if is at home, I will come and meet you.
You record the time.
I want to stand. Yeah, I want to stand.
Let
me see. See my pocket here. Do I wear gun? Why do you want to touch me? See my pocket, see my shoe. See my pocket.
you want now suspect go record here. When it says here. Hey Jimmy.
Favor came to carry her clothes. Mommy went out. I thought you heard. She said she's going out to meet somebody, I don't know. To meet one of her lady friends, I don't know.
PG.
If everybody is at home, why would you? I've not seen them since. If you will be, I've been seeing mommy pijama.
Wow, my people, una don lis ten to Essay Records. Please no be small thing, wahala no too much for dis our social media services. Abeg make una help me subscribe.